Sometimes, it's just time to turn off the news and social media apps and get up and build something. Like for everyone else, 2020 was ruining plans. July 24th of 2020 was our 10th wedding anniversary. We had planned to fly to Canada to experience the beautiful scenery of Banff and Jasper and Yoho National Parks, but instead, as the date approached, we realized that it wasn't going to happen due to border closures. So we opted for Plan B. We decided to take that money that we had allotted for Canada and build something that would last a lifetime, that would create countless memories, and that would help shut out all of the political noise.
Mysterious pneumonia outbreak in Wuhan, China.
A new type of coronavirus.
The World Health Organization has just declared that this is a pandemic.
Normal life canceled.
It's going to get worse.
A little problem.
Before it gets better.
That's right.
There's 400 years of history.
As you can tell by now, that anniversary trip that we were supposed to be on, well, it turned into a family trip. But even though fitting 4 people into 35 square feet for a week was challenging at times, the 3,500 square miles of Yellowstone and beyond brought remarkable relief and escape from all the negativity and bantering going on in the world. In a world where we're so ready for social distancing to be over with, we found that purposeful social distancing, even after the end of the pandemic, is still worthwhile. It's interesting how, when you get away from it all, things seem to just start feeling better. It's almost like when you don't listen to the banter and you start to look around, things aren't quite as bad as what they're made out to be. On the trail, there's people that still find a reason to smile, people from all walks of life coming together to appreciate the gripping beauty of the creation around us. There's so much bickering and fighting and arguing, so much seeking to gain as much wealth as possible, so much jockeying for position and clout and status. But are any of those things really that important? What if I told you that I believe that there was this one thing that people have just flat out forgotten how to do? What if everyone has just forgotten how to have fun? Lighten up a little bit, to let loose and enjoy life instead of walking around with a perpetual frown on your face. I mean, really, when was the last time that you said the words, "Wow, that was fun"? Some people probably think that we are crazy to take the kids with us on a 3,000-mile road trip on what was supposed to be our anniversary trip. Some might even wonder why we would take the kids to Yellowstone while they are so young and may not even remember it when they get older. But one thing that kept coming to mind all week long was how much fun they were having, and that just increased the level of fun that we were having ourselves. We're firm believers in the mantra, give your kids fun experiences, not just things. If there's one thing that kids know how to do, it's have fun. Sure, they might get themselves into trouble every now and then, but generally, their pure instinct is to find a way to enjoy themselves. Listen, I'll be the first to admit, I had let the ways of 2020 get me down and discourage me. And even since we've been home, it still does get me down occasionally. But when we look around the world at all the fun things that there are to do and fun times there are to be had with the people that we love, maybe it's time we all lightened up a little bit. Maybe it's time we determined to just have a little more fun. It can be done, I promise. It doesn't take a multi-million-dollar house. Take it from us. It could even start with a 35 square foot home-built camper trailer with the ones that you love. As someone well said, a crowded camper is better than an empty castle.